Hi everybody, welcome back to another lab of CCNA. In today's video, we are going to see how to run BGP on Cisco routers. So we took three routers, R1, R2 and R3. So now let's see how to run the BGP. On R1, we did the basic configurations like IP address facing towards R2 and R3 is there. Loopback 0 and loopback 1s are already configured. So to configure BGP, all you need to do is just write router BGP and then your autonomous system. We are running on R1. The R1 is in AS100. So here we have to mention 100 and hit enter. And then BGP router ID will be our loopback 1 address, which is 11.11.11.11. Now we have to mention the R3 and R2 addresses. First command is neighbor. We have to mention the IP of R3 first, 168 and remote AS 300. Similarly, we have to write for R2, which is 192.168.12.2 and its remote AS is 200. So that's it. So R1 configuration is done. Let's go to R2, router BGP 200, network BGP router ID, which is our loopback 1 22.22.22.22 and neighbor 192.168.12.2 12.1 and remote AS 100. Exit. Now let's take a look at R3, router BGP 300, BGP router ID neighbor 192.168.13.1 remote AS 100. Now here we have to advertise our router ID with the network command. So what we will do here, router BGP 100 network 111111. This command, after the IP we have to mention mask and hit enter. Configure T router BGP 200 network 22.22.22.0 mask 255.255.0. And at last we will do the same thing on R3 as well. So let's check on R1 how it's showing there. Show IP route. Here you can see we have two BGP routes. One is R3 loopback, which is the router ID, and other is R2, and it's showing via 192.168.192.2. So this way you can run the BGP on your Cisco routers. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.